Good evening, good evening. Sorry I'm a little late. We're doing Coloring Party with Friends 2023, and I am so excited to see so many of you here. Hope you enjoy what I colored today. And I am coloring in Alice Adventures Wonderland coloring book. And I hope you enjoy what I colored today, my dear friends. And I hope you sit down with your cup of tea or coffee or Diet Dr. Pepper, whatever is your drink. And please watch from the beginning to the end. And also, please go over and check out the playlist. And of course, go check out my co-hostess, that is. Here is my awesome co-host, Crafting with Pat. Oh yeah, she is a sweetheart. And look, she always has a big smile on her face, and she's always joining in and doing something. She's doing Coloring Party with Friends. That's what she's a co-hostess for, and she is better than Grandma about it. And she did her first fairy garden this week, but she's also a great friend to other channels. Look at this, Coloring Create with Us, You Rock Art. Another great coloring channel and another great challenge if you want to join in. And like I said, Crafting with Pat, she is very loyal. Plus, she has her second channel, and that has to do with gardening. She's also my co-hostess for my Gardening Saturday challenge. So, if any of you want to join in for Garden Tour Saturday, feel free to do so. Patricia's there cheering me on for that too. And she does a great job on her gardening channel, so please go check it out also. You'll be amazed at the things she does. She always does a beautiful job with everything. She even joined in an Alice in Wonderland garden tour. Oh yeah, she's great. You're gonna love her. And she's always a great friend. So remember, if you want a great friend that's gonna follow you if she likes your content, she'll be there cheering you on too. So go check her out. If you're not already following her, think about it. If you love gardening, she is a great gardener, and she always shows a great garden tour. Good afternoon, my awesome friends. It's Coloring Party with Friends. I'm a little late. You know how that is. I'm late, I'm late, I'm late. That little bunny is always saying that, and I think that should be what I should be saying. I am always late. I finally got this video up, and please check out the playlist, and please check out my co-hostess, Crafting with Pat. She's an awesome channel, and make sure to give love to Pat and to my awesome friends that join in every week, and check out the playlist. Now let's start this video. Down, down, down. Would the falling never come to an end? I wondered. How many miles have I fallen by this time? She said aloud. Alice is getting pretty frightened how long this took. And as you can see, I colored it, and it may not look like it should take that long, but this took me about a week to color. It seemed like there was so much detail work, even though it doesn't look like it. Took forever, but I thought it turned out pretty good. What did you think? And I think we got the color gold to turn out pretty good, and the playing cards. And of course, the crowns turned out well too. And I thought Alice turned out pretty good also. What do you think?